DJ Vic Vapor with you, and we're looking at Bitwig Studio Sampler. And in this tutorial, I want to take a look at the Freezing Playhead function, which is right here, the little snowflake. And we're going to look at it and utilize it as a sound design tool within Textures mode. So let's go ahead and freeze the playhead here. Actually, before I do that, let you hear what we've got. Nice little sample for us to work with. Let me zoom this guy over. There we go. That should work. All right, so let's freeze the playhead. And then, of course, we can move the position of the playhead right here. I want to go ahead and modulate that. So we'll grab a modulator. We'll grab steps. Open up steps. Let's go with a random. Let's assign that to our playhead textures. And we'll just give it a full all the way there. And we've got it assigned, and I'll just roll the dice. So now we've got it jumping around here, but it is a little bit aggressive. Let's kind of control the rate a little bit. And we'll go to quarter notes. Let's hear what happens as we manipulate the grain. Currently, key tracking is off. Go ahead and turn it on. Really, really cool stuff. And now if you remember, the motion of the playhead is controlled here. See what key tracking on. Seems a little bit better. See if we can get a different sound out of, maybe let's go back to eighth. And as you can see, we can get some really, really cool textures and unique features out of using the Freeze Playhead with our Textures mode. So a lot of cool things that we've explored here, a lot of cool things to understand. But now it's time to go ahead and dive a little bit deeper into multi-sampling and some of the other features that the sampler has to offer. Now, of course, there are filters here, and there is the DSR that we can probably take a look at somewhere further down the course. But for now, I want to go into some more detail within the sampler now that we've taken a good look at understanding the modes and the Freeze Playhead feature. I'll see you in the next tutorial.